What's going on, guys? We're going to do a quick update here. If you guys watched the last video, I had a bunch of levels kind of set out. Let me give a recap of that. So we're going to look at the 1 hour time frame. Levels that I was looking at looked very, very good. What I was expecting, a little bit of consolidation going into tomorrow, which is going to be June the 20th. Consolidation going into tomorrow, maybe we get a little bit of a pop up and then a rejection, right? So what I was looking for was to play a dead cat bounce into the 5 and 10-day moving average. Well, guess what just happened here in the Asian session open? We gapped up into the 5 and 10-day moving average. So literally not what I wanted to see here. This dead cat bounce here is what I wanted to catch off tomorrow's open. So what I was looking for was, if we were trading down in this range, I was looking for this reclaim and then boom, catch that quick trade and then just end my day tomorrow and have a fantastic weekend, go play some golf. But we're already here. So what's the game plan? The updated game plan? Nothing changes here. If we continue to put in this flag pattern here, what you want to see is this pullback hold this vicinity. And then if we do break those highs, you want to be long over the 5 and 10-day moving average. Any continuation that continues to reclaim this 5-day moving average, you're going to have to see if this zone holds. If this zone holds, then we're going to be long-sided bias for a little bit of a run-up into Wednesday's highs. Okay, that would be the next price target. Now, let's say we continue to pull back and off the New York Open, we kind of test this area once again, creating some type of double top here and a rejection. The moment we fall and close back below the daily 10 SMA, you want to be short with anticipation that we trade right back into this channel, right back into that daily 20 SMA. That's the updated game plan. Again, if we do pull all the way back here going into tomorrow's session, then we can look for a double bottom test, play the bounce off of this area, off of this demand zone. And the only way we're getting short, if we're open up down at this range, which again, we would need to sell off kind of a lot. But if we did, you want to always be ready for both sides of the trade. So if we do, right, if we do take out today's lows and we close below the daily 20 SMA, we are 100% short-sided bias. Okay, 100% short-sided bias. You're looking for the rejection here. You're looking for the continuation down. As long as we're trading over this daily 20, this range here, you want to be long into the area that we're currently trading at right now. And if we reclaim the daily 5 and 10-day moving average, you want to be 100% long-sided bias, and you want to be targeting Wednesday's highs. Okay, that's the update here. Let's see how this shakes out. All we need to do is catch 1 or 2 trades, guys. 15 points here, 10 points there, 20 points here, 5 points there, whatever it is, lock it in, and then we'll be all right to go. Again, if you want to join Evolution Traders and trade live with us each and every single day, we got a live trading session going on tomorrow for mentorship students. I'll see all of you guys in pre-market. That link is down in the description box below. Also, Apex is 80% off right now. Pretty good deal still going on. I believe we have a few days left of that sale. So if you guys want to take advantage, the discount code is up at the top of the screen here. You can use code DANTHONY to save 80% on your evaluations. I'll catch all of you guys in the next video.